In this episode of Rapid Transit Garage, we are working on a 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. It's a 273 4-barrel car. It has a 400 big block in it right now. It runs like garbage. Well, it did run like garbage. It's running a lot better now. What we found was it was popping out of the right exhaust pipe. So after going through a few things, we ended up pulling the rockers off, or valve covers off, I should say, and found the rockers and rocker shafts severely worn. I have now replaced the rockers and rocker shafts on each side, and the popping's gone, so it's running substantially better. However, it's got some carburation issues now, so we'll be going through that. But previously, it would not smoke the tires, would not spin the tires, or very little. Right now, it will smoke the tires, so as a good gauge. So if you please follow along, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll talk to you later. Follow along. Bye-bye. At this point in the video, you're going to hear a little bit of nonsense from our wives talking in the background about healthy eating and cholesterol and things like that. For that, I apologize. They are quite loud. I'm going to try to get rid of some of that, but this is where we actually found what we did with the rocker shaft. So I will show you that. So this is what we found. As you can see, that this is terribly worn. As evidenced by the rocker itself, they were just beat. Also, you can see that it's on both sides. So that's kind of telling us that that they were installed upside down at one point in time. Now, we pulled prior to purchasing them. We actually pulled a set out of my buddy's 383, or he pulled them out, I should say, and they were worn. So I did not use them. However, not all the way around. So, needless to say, we did not use these. But it's kind of a good indication. This side actually, from here down, was just coal black on this rocker.
Me do my two-step.
See a star foil, isn't it?
Oh, here we got parts.
I drink cappuccino K-cups and he drinks the coffee. Yeah, you like ice cream. I drink the cappuccino.
I have a feeling I'm going to be putting
Small block in it?
no.
I like the cappuccino. I love my name. I got a beer.
Nut turner over there.
Nut turners?
Yeah, stay away from soda.
Your kind of options. We have 373,
I have a heart attack.
4-speed.
So, explain what you're saying now as far as like what you have to say.
Molding, heavy discs.
Trans fats.
I will irritate
Saturated
it.
fat.
And then to put it the wrong way, realize
Very
it.
high sausage and bacon. No bacon, no sausage, no bread and right. So more hamburgers. Yes.
And it's definitely warm, it feels rich.
Oh, yeah.
It's still hot, but
Just
it's
like
so
fish
touchable.
Yeah, I know that.
It's a 350 it.
It's actually round, it matches that. So I have the rocker shafts and rocker arms.
I should make them for you. He wouldn't eat it.
I wanted to see what this one
I'll have a little bit of
Same.
Water pump's been replaced. Something like that.
A little bit smoky, but it's cool to watch them work.
What? Huh?
That's ugly.
What?
I'm gonna let that dry for 38 seconds.
Woo!
I was gonna say that.
Oh God! Oh crap! Whew.
Really? It's one like an second! I need air. Air.
You say snake?
Oh, the COVID can't beat that. It's not getting through. Well, whew. Oh, look at that. Holy. Well.
Howdy folks, as I was putting this video together I realized I didn't have one bit of footage of us installing the rockers and rocker shafts on the CUDA. I did however get one of us creating a fire hazard with running it without the valve covers on. So that was kind of cool. I like seeing how things work and oil splashes everywhere and things like that. I'm not quite used to having a recording device following everything I do, but we will however in the future. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. And hope to talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.